The blood of the victims cries out for justice, and so do we.
Outrage tonight after criminal charges were dropped against 7 Metro police officers involved in 3 deadly shootings.
Local civil rights leaders and activists now calling for the federal government to step in.
News 9 crime tracker Jennifer Pierce has reaction from the groups now demanding justice.
The group is calling for the U.S. Attorney General, the Department of Justice, and the state's AG's office to investigate what they call 3 police-involved murders. Cries for justice in what this group called the People's Court outside the Oklahoma County Courthouse.
Today is just one of those days that we want to express the disappointment in the system that has failed us.
The civil and human rights leaders voiced outrage in the Oklahoma County DA's decision to dismiss criminal charges against 6 OKC officers and 1 village police officer. The officers were involved in the 2020 deadly shootings of Stavion Rodriguez, Benny Edwards, and Christopher Poore.
Vicky Behanna has blood on her hands.
The group did not agree with Behanna's choice to hire an outside use of force expert for the criminal investigation.
DA Behanna, we certainly challenge you and your decision on hiring an outside use of force expert that was heavily experienced in law enforcement with a history of biases against victims of police brutality.
One of the speakers says 3 of the OKC officers recently released from charges have used deadly force before. They fear deadly police shootings will increase if the federal government or the state attorney general doesn't step in.
These other agencies have both jurisdiction, duty, and scope to be able to take on these investigations.
The group plans to file paperwork with the DOJ next week. We will continue to follow this story as it develops. In the newsroom, Jennifer Pierce, Oklahoma's own News 9.